Q8624. When using an electric starter motor, the current flow through it A. is highest just before starter cutoff, at highest RPM. B. remains relatively constant throughout the starting cycle. C. is highest at the start of motor rotation. The correct answer is C. When using an electric starter motor, the current flow through it is highest at the start of motor rotation. This is because at the start, the motor requires a high amount of current to overcome inertia and initiate rotation. As the motor gains speed, the current flow decreases. Q8625. The primary advantage of pneumatic air-turbine starters over comparable electric starters for turbine engines is A. a significant lack of wear to the commutator. B. that it does not disengage until the engine reaches idle. C. its high power-to-weight ratio. The correct answer is C. The primary advantage of pneumatic air-turbine starters over comparable electric starters for turbine engines is their high power-to-weight ratio. Pneumatic starters are lightweight yet powerful, making them efficient for starting turbine engines. Q8626. A clicking sound heard at engine coast down in a pneumatic starter incorporating a Sprag clutch ratchet assembly is an indication of A. gear tooth and/or pawl damage. B. one or more broken pawl springs. C. the pawls recontacting and riding on the ratchet gear. The correct answer is C. A clicking sound heard at engine coast down in a pneumatic starter incorporating a Sprag clutch ratchet assembly is an indication that the pawls are contacting and riding on the ratchet gear. This could be due to wear or damage to the gear teeth or pawls. Q8627. Pneumatic starters are usually designed with what types of airflow impingement systems? A. Radial inward flow turbine and axial flow turbine. B. Centrifugal compressor and axial flow compressor. C. Double entry centrifugal outward flow and axial flow turbines. The correct answer is A. Pneumatic starters are usually designed with radial inward flow turbines and axial flow turbines as the types of airflow impingement systems. These turbine designs allow for efficient and effective conversion of airflow energy into rotational motion for starting the engine. Q8628. Inspection of pneumatic starters by maintenance technicians usually includes checking the A. oil level and magnetic drain plug condition. B. stator and rotor blades for FOD. C. rotor alignment. The correct answer is A. Inspection of pneumatic starters by maintenance technicians usually includes checking the oil level and magnetic drain plug condition. This is important to ensure proper lubrication and to detect any metal particles or debris that may indicate a problem with the starter.